Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Today's one is special. We're going to be showing you how, or walking you through how we made this beautiful wedding day garment. This garment can be elaborated for the bride, or it can be worn as is for bridesmaids, or it can be, styled in whichever fashion for wedding guests, guests who are females or who fancy this type of apparel. It is a very beautiful dress, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna be talking you through this, and I will also include a video, a link to a video that actually talked about a particular version that was used by a bride. So are you new here? Do go subscribe to our channel. We bring you brand new videos on a weekly basis, inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We bring to you how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, as well as talking you through patterns, walking you through drawing patterns and all of that. You find our galleries all up on Instagram. Our wedding day apparel, you find those at Makisode weddings, and then for our corporates, casuals, and accessories, you find those at Makisode models. Do well to do well to follow us, drop a nice comment, and share our content. All right, so let's start. So as we can see, the dress was worked in essentially 4 parts. We can see the moss stitch torso. We can see the lacy top part, and then we can see the mesh skirt. Now the mesh skirt, essentially double crochet mesh and single crochet mesh, was eventually worked there was a surface stitching done in fur. Now we left a sneak peek, as you can see. You have to leave a lot to the imagination just to make it stand out and different from what a bride will probably wear. So that's about it essentially. So I said the body was worked in moss stitch. We're going to attach a video on how the moss stitch is worked. We're going to also attach a video on how the slip stitching was done. Yeah, you'd see all of that. And then finally, I'd like for us to, you see the top part where the lace is. You can actually work with any type of lace pattern that you desire. So it's a really beautiful dress. Like I said, make it a little bit more elaborate for the bride. Leave it as is for wedding guests, or leave it as is for wedding guests or even bridesmaids, right? And then do whatever it is you want. You can work it longer. You can give it sleeves. The sleeves could be short, they could be long. Look at how that look at how the fur comes out nicely. Look at the lace, very beautiful. Yeah, and then the moss stitch just gives it that opaque and decent look. It's a beautiful dress. So yeah, is there any part of this video that's unclear? Do let us know, and we will do what we can to make it more explicit. Yeah, if you can't work this, you don't have the time, yeah, you can ask us and we will do it for you for a token. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out all of the links that I have attached here, and follow the process. Bye for now.